you tell me which among these two numbers is greater? You'd say the answer is 202, and it was easy as the number of digits in it is greater than the number of digits in 93. But what if I ask you to find the greater of these two numbers? Is it as easy as the first one? Is there a technique to find the greater number in such situations? Hold on to this thought. Now you see 5 circles of different diameters on your screen. Can you arrange them in the increasing order of their diameters? Can you arrange them in the descending order of their diameters? Do you know what descending means? And what is ascending? Do you know what the smallest 6-digit number is called? Look at this large number on your screen. Can you tell me what this number is called using words? Isn't it difficult to notice how big the number is? Do commas help? How do we put the commas? Is the Indian system different from the international system? Let's say you go to a furniture store with your parents and they plan to buy a sofa and a dinner table which are priced like this. And you hear your mom asking your dad a simple question. How much would it cost us approximately if we decide to buy both? You are quite eager to answer the question and you don't have enough time. In such a case, would you add both the numbers and find the exact cost of buying both the items? Or would you find an estimate? Are there any easy techniques to find the estimate? In all the numbers we've seen so far, we've used digits from 0 to 9. Were there any different ways to writing numerals? Any different systems? Do you remember seeing a clock like this? What do these numerals represent? Are they called Roman numerals? Okay, I know I asked you too many questions in this video without really telling you the answers. That's because the answers need to be understood in a lot of detail. We will answer all these questions and many more in the coming videos.